Okay, here we are a couple of days later. Sorry about the wind, if there is any. It's quite breezy out today. I wanted to see what my actual view is. There it is. But now in the last video, or well, just before actually, because you would have been watching it, you saw that we had a fat fire when we tried to cook those breakfast things on this barbecue. Now, that could have been down to a number of reasons, one of which could have been too much food being put on the grill. As you can see, I've got it set up at the moment with the plate, which I used for the eggs on one side and the grill on the other, and I may have put a little bit too much food on that. But another reason why you can get a fat fire is because there's too much gunk and grease in the bottom of the barbecue. So today we're going to clean the barbecue. We'll give you a little bit of an idea how that might go, and we'll see what's down inside of it. So I've got a bucket of soapy water here. The first thing I'm going to do is take out the 2 plates and put them in there for a bit of a soak, and then I'll give them a scrub, and then we can have a look what's underneath. Grease my fingers already, so there's a bit to clean. Okay, here's what we've got inside. So yeah, it's a bit disgusting, and you can definitely see on the grill side what was getting through. So we'll take out the flame tamers and we'll put these in this water as well, I suppose. And we'll take out this as well. So you can see the gunk we've got. Now, what whoever say to do is to take yourself a paint scraper and just scrape the gunk down. So I'll try and set up a nice shot so you can all see that while I do that. A good part of the design is that everything is just getting scraped down into this tray. Now, the idea is that you just take the tray out at the end and throw it away and replace it with a new one, and that's it. None of that. I know a lot of barbecues have a drip tray that goes pretty well exactly the same area as the grilling area. And what you're supposed to do is put a fat absorbing material, looks a little bit like kitty litter, even though it's not kitty litter, inside there, and the grease just goes onto that, and you've got to find a way to dispose of that, and it's all quite a messy affair by the time it's all saturated, and you've got to try and tip it into a plastic bag or into the bin. This just seems like a much easier way. Obviously you don't need to go crazy doing this, unless you are a real neat freak. It's not as though you need to have this looking spotless. Really, it's more about just getting the crud and the majority of the oil scraped out of the way. I mean, well, that's the stuff that ultimately catches on fire. This grease, this fat. Come out of all the steak and mince that I've enjoyed since I've been using this barbecue. We'll cut a little bit further along here. Okay, so here we are. I've just finished scraping it down, just gave it a wipe with a paper towel as well, so it looks pretty good. Obviously, you still got to replace the tray, but everything else has been turned over, still soaking. We'll clean that up, and then we'll put it back in, and we'll show you just clean the stainless steel outside to finish. Alright, we've got a clean surface. It's obviously not perfect, but I mean that's not really what you're going for when you're cleaning a barbecue at the end of the day. You just want to get rid of that build-up, and as you can see, looking through, it's a lot cleaner there than it was, and if I put the food on the grill properly, I should get some good results next time. Let's have a look at the stainless steel on the outside. Now, Weber gives you a spray to use. So we'll see how that goes. I've got this and I've got a microfiber towel, so we'll set you down and see what results we get. Alright, that's all done. You can see a little bit of smear mark there on the porcelain top there, but it's alright. We'll put it back in the cover for another day.